Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine. Today is day 2 of our bunny hutch build. We have a couple cuts left to do before we start assembling, and then we can put it all together. So let's go ahead and get those cuts done, and then we can start building. Alrighty, so we got all of our pieces cut. We are ready for assembly. These are our front legs, back legs. These are all of the middle supports, middle pieces. These are the middle supports that go in between these pieces. These are the sides, roofing pieces, and we are ready to go. So the first thing we're going to do is put together the legs. And let me show you on the hutch that's built how we're going to put those together. So this is how we put them together. So hopefully the lighting isn't too terrible. So it makes this like L shape on the inside. So on one side, one piece is flush with the 15-degree angle going towards the back, with the side piece actually connected on the side of the front. So it'll look like this. And then the other leg will be opposite of that, like this. And again, have that, oh, you can't see it. It'll have that L shape. And then the back ones will be reverse of what these ones are. Hi boys! Let's go ahead and build those legs. So now that we have the front two corner legs assembled, we're going to start adding the middle pieces. There should be one flush with the top, one middle, and one at the bottom. And they should be 18 inches from the bottom, 43.5 inches from the bottom, and then flush with the top. So I'm going to go ahead and measure everything out and then attach the middle pieces. So the front side is done. I just need to add like a chunk of 2x4 here in the middle to stabilize it until we get the middle supports between the front and the back sides. Since it is just two pieces of 2x4 instead of one solid piece, it's a little flimsy in the middle here, so it just needs that little extra temporary support until we get it all situated. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, get this out of the way, and then we'll start on the back side. Alrighty, so we finished up the back side here. I'm going to go ahead and measure out where all of the middle supports are that are going between the front and the back here. So these two here will be the same measurements. So it'll be 9 inches from this corner. So 9, 44, and then 79. 9, 44, 79, and then on this side it'll be from this side 9, 44, 79, 9, 44, 79. So those will be the middle supports that'll hold up the cages, and then on the top here we're going to measure out where our roof supports are going to go, and that will be from this end over will be 15, 31, 47, 63, and 79. And then from this side over, it'll be 15, 31, 47, 63, and 79. So I'm going to go ahead and mark all of those on the back side here, and then I'm going to go and mark them on the front side, and then we can assemble the two pieces together.